Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 7 mathematics we will study about multiplication of decimals. This is a confusing in a lot of students that how we will multiply the decimals, but it's very simple to multiply the decimals. How we will multiply the decimal we have to look here. So we will start here exercise 3C. The first question is find the product. The first number is given here 73.92 that we have to multiply it with 10. Now, first what we have to do? We have to multiply 73.92 with 10. For that, you first multiply 7392 with 1. A number when multiplied with 1, the result will be same. Now, but here a 0 is also present. So when a 0 is present, you have to put decimal towards right after one digit. Why one digit? Because here only one 0 is present. So you have to put the decimal towards right after one digit. Here the decimal is after 3. So if we put towards after right of one digit, then it comes after 9. So the product of 73.92 into 10 is equal to 739.2. Okay. Look one more example here. Question number 6 here. 0.032 into 10. Now, first we have to again here multiply 032 with 1. A number with when multiplied with 1, we same result we will get here 0.032. Now, how many zeros are present here? 1 0. So we have to put decimal after one digit towards right one. Okay. So after one digit means here the 0, here the decimal comes after this 0. So the result is here 0.32. That's the answer. In the same way, you have to solve the second number of question. That is here also we have to find the product. The question is here given 2.397 into 1000. Now what we have to multiply? 2.397 with 1000. This one we have to multiply. So first we will multiply 2.397 with 1. So when 2.397 multiplied with 1, the result is here 2.397. Why? Because when we multiply any number with 1, the result will be same. Now how many zeros are here? 1, 2 and 3 zeros. So we have to put the decimal after 3 digit from current position. So current position is here. Now we will put the decimal after 1, 2 and 3 digit here. So here decimal after no digit present. So we remove the decimal here. The result will be the product of 2.397 into 1000 is equal to 2397. Similarly, look one more example here. Question number 6 of second. 0.003 multiplied with 100. Now, first we have to do here? Same way 003 multiplied with 1. When this number multiplied with 1, the result will be same here 003. Because the number is multiplied with 1, we get the same result here. Now how many zeros are present here? 2 zeros. So we have to put the decimal after 2 digits. Now we have to remove decimal from here and put it after 2 digits. So the here product is 0.3. The product of 0.003 into 100 is 0.3. Similarly, third number question we have to solve. Here also we have to find the product. The first question is here 6.7314 multiplied with 1000. What we have to multiply? 6.7314 with 1000. Okay, that we have to multiply. So first we will multiply 6.7314 with 1. What result we will get here? 6.7314. Now how many zeros are present here? 3 zeros. So we have to put the decimal after 3 digits from the current position. Current position is here after 6. Now after 6 how many digits? 7, 3, 1. These are the 3 digits. So we have to put the decimal here. So the product of 6 decimal 7314 into 1000 is equal to 6731 decimal 4. Now look one more example here of question number 4. That is 6th number question. 0 decimal 06 multiplied with 1000. 0 decimal 06 is multiplied with 1000. So first we have to write here 0 decimal 06 multiplying with 1000, but we have to left the zeros here. First we have to multiply 0 decimal 06. What result we will get? We will get the same result, 0 decimal 06, because a number when multiplied with 1 we will get the same result. How many zeros are here, students? 3. So here are 3 zeros, so we have to put the decimal after 3 digits, but here only 2 digits are available. So after decimal, if digits are last, so as much desire you, as much zero you can write here. As much zero desired by you, as much zero you can write here. So how many zeros are required here? Here we require 3 digits. Only 2 digits are present here, but it requires here 3 digits. So we have to add one more zero here. Now we have to put the decimal after how many digits? 3 zeros are present. So put the decimal here. So the answer will be 60. So when 0 decimal 06 is multiplied with 1000, the result will be 60. In the same way, rest of the question of question number 3 you have to solve. Now we will move on question number 4. In question number 4 of exercise 3C, also we have to find the product here. Now the first question is here, 5.4 is multiplied with 16. So simply first we have to multiply 5.4 with 16. First we have to just forget where is the decimal. First we simply multiply 54 with 16. Now 16 4 ja 64 in the hand, 16 5 ja 80. So the result is 804. When 54 is multiplied with 16, the result is 804. Now we have to place the decimal here. After decimal, how many digits are here? 1. So in this number, after decimal, only 1 digit is required. Here after decimal, how many digits are present? 1. So in this number, after decimal, only 1 number is required. So we have to put the decimal here, because if we put the decimal here, then after decimal here 2 digit will be possible. So we have to mark the decimal here, 80 decimal 4. Look one more example of question number 4. Question number 6. (104 decimal 06 multiplied with 75). Firstly, simply we have to multiply 104 and remove, we have to decimal from here, multiplied with 75. Now 75 6 are 450 in the hand, 45. 75 0 is 0, 45. 5 here, 4 in the hand. 75 4 is 300. 304. 304. Now in the hand 30. 75 0 is 0, 30. 0 in the hand 3. 75 1 is 75 and 3 78. The product will be here. When 10,406 is multiplied with 75, the result will be 7,80,450. Now put the decimal at its original place. Now after decimal, how many digits are possible here? 2. So in this number, we have to place the decimal in such a way that after decimal only 2 digits will be possible. So we have to place the decimal here. So the product of 104 decimal 06 with 75 is 7,804 decimal 5. This 0 is not necessary to write. Okay. In the same way, you have to solve question number 5. (7 decimal 6 multiplied with 2 decimal 4). Now, simply first you have to multiply 7 decimal 6 2 into 4. How we will multiply? First you remove the decimals here from here. Now 24 6 are 144 in the hand 14. 24 7 are 168 and 14 182. 182. Now we will place the decimal at its original place. Now after the decimal, how many digits are here? 1. And after the decimal, how many digits are present here? 1. So 1 and 1, 2 digits. After decimal, how many digits are here? 1. And after decimal, how many digits are here? 1. 1 and 1, 2 digits. In this number, we have to place a decimal in such a way that after decimal 2 digits are possible. So we have to place the decimal here after 1 and 2 digits. So the product of 7.6 into 2.4 is 18.24. Look one more example of question number 5. The example is 9 number. 0.014 multiplied with 0.46. What we have to multiply? 0.014 with 0.46. First we have to remove the decimal from both of the places. Now 14 6 are 84 in the hand 8. 14 4 are 56 and 8 64. Okay. Again we repeat the multiply. 14 6 are 84 in the hand 8. 14 4 are 56 and 8 64. Now we have to place the decimal at its original place. Okay. Now how many digits are present here after decimal? 1, 2 and 3 digits, and here 2 digits. Total how many digits? 5. But here how many digits are present? 3 digits. So we have to make here 5 digits. But if we are placing 0 this side, then the value of this number will be increased. But if we place 0 this side, then the value of this number will be increased. No, it will be not increased, it will be the same. Now how many digits are required here? 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3 digits here and 2 digits here. Total 3 and 2, 5. Also 5 digits are here. So after 5 digits we have to place the decimal. So the product of 0.014 into 0.46, that is equal to 0.00644. That is the product. In the same way you have to solve the rest question of question number 5. Rest of the question we will solve in next my video of the same exercise. Thank you for watching.